Hi there, welcome to the inaugural episode of Rob on the Run. I'm going to run out and grab me some dinner. I've been hearing about these things called Birria Tacos lately on the internet, and I did some research and found out they were a pretty big fad a couple years ago. So I did a little more research and found out we have a place here in town that serves them up. It's actually a Mexican restaurant that used to be, at one time, my favorite craft beer bar. They switched over to Mexican food, and I guess they're serving up some pretty good food. So let's go run over there and give these Birria Tacos a try. Taking the long way there. I'm driving through Lakeside Park. It's a gorgeous park. I try to drive through here as often as I can. Beautiful scenery right next to the lake here. I recorded a little walking tour of this place last year. If you want to check it out, you can scroll down on my channel and find that video. Here we are at Los Mezcales Bar and Grill. Look, they got Dos Equis. I might have to give one of those a try also. Let's head in, grab us some Birria Tacos. Here's the menu. Appetizers, salads, tacos, house specialties. Not a lot of pictures. I like that. You know, too many pictures on there clutters it up, and there's not a lot of room for the descriptions of the food. Got some tortilla chips and salsa here. Give this salsa a try. Looks pretty thin. Great flavor. I think I prefer the crunchy salsa better, but you know what? I found you really can't judge the quality of a restaurant by their salsas. They can make some outstanding food and have just so-so salsas. My case of Birria Tacos showed up here. They look great. Came with rice and beans. Have a couple tacos with some consomme to dip them in. Let's give this a try. I'm looking forward to this. This consomme looks amazing. It's what they stew the beef in for hours upon hours. Looks great. Slow cooked. Beautiful looking. I'm going to try out the consomme first, see how it is. A little tomatoey, not spicy at all. Good rich flavor, good beef flavor in there too. This is going to be good on the tacos. The corn tortillas are cooked on the griddle with the birria meat in there and beautiful looking cheese. A lot of cheese in there. I'd say they're good. Nice and juicy. The beef is just so tender. It's been slow cooked for a long time with a lot of great spices. A little bit too much cheese on here for me, but I'm from Wisconsin. It sounds weird I said that, but a little bit too much cheese. This definitely is one of the more sloppy Mexican dishes I've had. Dipping it in the consomme and then eating it. Get quite a few drips on me. Doing this with two hands and trying to film and eat at the same time is a little rough, but I'm getting by. I guess that's enough video of me eating. I'm gonna finish this meal off for as much of it as I can, probably bring a bit of it home. And I'll let you know what I think when we get outside. that was my visit to Los Mezcales Bar and Grill here in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. I'm finishing up this first episode of Rob on the Run at home. It's raining out right now, which is good because we need the rain desperately. I was on a search for Birria Tacos and I found them in a small Mexican place on the south side of Fond du Lac. Glad I went. They were pretty good. But you know, for the life of me, I can't figure out what all the hype was about a couple years ago when those things are popular. It's a good Mexican dish, but I guess that's not for me. It's a bit sloppy to eat. It's kind of greasy. Just not my thing. I'm not going to try to find other places to eat Birria Tacos, and you know, for sure I'm not going to attempt to make them at home, but you know, some people really like them, and I was even told by somebody that once you have a Birria Taco, that'll be your new best thing, and no, that guy was wrong. Not my new best thing. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this first episode of Rob on the Run. I had a good time putting it together. Plan on doing a few more, who knows how many more. Probably get on my motorcycle and visit something, like maybe a cheese factory. Who knows? We'll see. Hope you're having a great day. I am. See you next time.